Chapter 14, Lesson 5. We're going to be dividing a decimal by a decimal. Pretty much what we've been doing. Got to move the decimal on the outside over. So you have to do the same thing to the decimal inside the box. So let's go ahead and get started. So we got 1.8 divided by 0.9. So the first thing you want to do is move the decimal point over one time. And then we have to move the decimal point over one time here too. So now our problem looks like 18 divided by 9, which is 2. And the last problem was just a simple one to show you how we do it. Here's a more difficult one, 1.44 divided by 0.5. And remember, the first number always goes in the box. So it's 1.44 divided by 0.5. You can move the decimal point over one time here, so we'll move it over one time there. So our new problem looks like 14.4 divided by 5. So before you get started, the first thing you want to do is put your decimal point up here so you don't forget about it. If you put it in later, you might put it in the wrong spot. Okay, 5 goes into 14 two times. Bring down your 5. 2 goes into 45 9 times. So your answer is 2.9. Here we got 0.706 divided by 0.2. Move this over one time. Move this over one time. So your new problem is going to be 7.06 divided by 2. So let's put our decimal point up on top. 2 goes into 6 3 times. Bring down your 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. And bring down your 6. And 2 goes into 6 3 times. So your answer would be 2.53. So let's take a look at some of your homework problems. So let's take a look at number 3, 5.8 divided by 0.4. We're going to move the decimal point over one time here, one time there. So your new problem is 58 divided by 4. 4 goes into 5 one time. 4 goes into 18 4 times. We have a remainder of 2. We do not want remainders, so you have to add your decimal, add a 0, bring it down. And 4 goes into 20 5 times. So your answer would be 14.5 for number 3. Number 6, 16.2 divided by 0.8. Move the decimal over one time. And one time here. So your new problem is 162 divided by 8. And 8 goes into 16 two times. 8 goes into 2 0 times. It can't go into 8, or into 2. So I have to add my decimal point and a 0. And don't forget to put the decimal point up here. 8 goes into 20 two times. Remainder of 4. Again, we add another 0. And then 8 goes into 40 5 times. So your answer for number 6 is 20.25. Remember, we do not have remainders. We keep adding zeros until we come out with an even number. Hopefully this helps, and good luck.